Hi there, I'm back with. I want to discuss with you formation of the sentences. Okay, what is the formation of the sentences? How you can make a sentence, and with that formation, how can you add with everything? Like how can you add subject plus verb plus object? So for the positive sentences, for the negative sentences, for the interrogative sentences, as well as for the interrogative and negative sentences. So I am with you, I am back with a board here, so you can understand. It will be more easy for you to understand. Okay, so here I have written something like formation of the sentences. Okay, so we are discussing this one only, what is the how to do formation of the sentences, how to add everything. Okay, so for the formation of sentences we have first positive form. Okay, how do we add positive forms? Okay, how we can add positive forms. So for adding positive form we have with a subject. Okay, we have with a subject and plus helping verb and then verb and then object. Okay, now I will tell you what is the subject and helping verb plus object. Helping verb is something like is, am, are, was, where. These are called as a helping verb. But verb, that place of the verb is say, that is a main verb. Okay, main verb is like jump, run, cook. These are the main verb. Okay, an object, that is about we are talking about anything, that is object. Okay, in case of subject is a thing which we are generally talking about, that particular thing, that is subject. Okay, so for the positive form we have with a subject plus helping verb plus verb plus object. Okay, and then for the negative form we have with a subject and plus helping verb. That helping verb I have already discussed with you, subject plus helping verb and plus verb plus object. Okay, now we have that one interrogative forms. For the interrogative form we have our helping verb first. Okay, we generally writing subject first, but here for the interrogative sentences we write mostly helping verb firstly. Okay, so helping verb then plus subject and then verb and plus object, then we finally, and this is the very important to adding with question marks at the end. Okay, and then we have interrogative negative forms. Okay, interrogative negative form means here we have interrogative and negative both adding also, and so we have helping verb, and with that we have subject, with that not plus verb and plus object. If we add the by this series, then become this sentence will be what, this sentence will be our interrogative negative sentence. So I hope you understand how to do formation of the sentences. Okay, and this is the formation of the sentences, how to do, you can do first your positive form, then your negative form, then interrogative form, then your interrogative negative form. And in case of positive form you have your subject and then helping verb then object. In case of your negative form you have subject plus helping verb plus verb plus object. In case of your interrogative form you have your helping verb first and then your subject, then your verb, then your object, and after that you have your question marks, so that we can understand that is a type of the interrogative sentence. And now for the interrogative negative sentences we have first helping verb and then we have a subject, then we have a not, then verb plus object.